Greetings for the day. As a part of MOOC training program, my assignment submission is on packaging interventions for shelf life extension of products. Myself, Dr. Harini Venugopal, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Dairy Technology, Dairy Science College, KVA FSU, Hebbal, Bengaluru. Packaging is today an essential part of any industrial activity and an integral part of modern marketing complex as it focuses on containment, protection, promotion and convenience. The concept of farm to fork is revolving around packaging material selection, wherein every step's adoption of packaging material and technology is important. The whole packaging industry is based on suppliers and end users. The advanced packaging materials are polyethylene terephthalate, polyvinyl chloride, polypropylene and retard pouches. The last one is specially designed for ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook foods. Focusing on advanced packaging techniques, modified atmospheric packaging technology involves carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen gases which is used in appropriate proportions for foods. Controlled atmospheric packaging is for storage of foods. Aseptic packaging utilizes polyethylene, aluminum foil and paper for extension of food products which is renowned as Tetra Pak. Active packaging contains active components in the packaging material itself in the form of sachets, labels, films and coatings. Intelligent packaging involves sensors for several purposes as time temperature indicator, pathogen indicator and ripening index, etc. The edible packaging involves consumption of packaging material along with the product which is prepared from protein, lipid and starch, etc. Example being ice cream cone. To summarize the whole concept, appropriate selection of packaging material is need of hour and adoption of modern packaging techniques is the key concept. Both packaging material and packaging techniques aids in extension of shelf life of products without using any of the preservatives. With this, Dr. Harini Venugopal is signing for MOOC assignment. Thank you so much.